Since you know already Lean Six Sigma subject pretty well, it is quite obvious that a Lean Six Sigma specialist is highly required in any type of manufacturing industry. Let's take a look. Lean Six Sigma in manufacturing combines Lean's waste reduction with Six Sigma's defect reduction to optimize production, lower costs, and maximize customer value. Benefits of LSS in manufacturing. Higher product quality means reduced defects and variability. Increased speed, faster cycle times through waste removal. Lower operating costs, efficient resource utilization. And improved efficiency means optimized workflow and reducing bottlenecks. Key components of Lean Six Sigma in manufacturing industry. Lean, eliminating waste, focuses on eliminating. If we passed through this, we learned this, 8 type of waste. We means defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talent within your organization, transportation costs, inventory, unnecessary motion, and extra processing. Six Sigma means reducing variation, using statistical methods to reduce variability in processes, while aiming for high quality, almost perfect products. And tools and techniques. Key tools include 5S, Kanban, Just-in-Time, and Kaizen, and you're pretty well aware about all of them right now.